Okay, let me ask you a question. Are you actually being penalized for successfully growing your audience? I mean, think about it for a second. In literally any other area of business, growth means popping champagne, right? But in the world of SME marketing, well, it usually means hiding your wallet. It's this incredibly frustrating irony that I like to call the success penalty. You know the drill. You work incredibly hard to generate leads. You finally build up a really substantial contact database, and what happens? Your software bills absolutely skyrocket to punishing levels. So today we're going to look at a tool that flips this entire concept right on its head.
Welcome to The Explainer. I am so thrilled you're joining us today because we're tackling one of the single biggest drains on marketing budgets right now. We're talking about Mautic. It's a platform specifically built to give small and medium enterprises the massive power of top-tier marketing automation, but without those crazy escalating subscription costs. If you are just completely tired of paying a premium just for having a healthy list of contacts, you are definitely in the right place.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here's our roadmap for today. First, the automation pricing trap. Second, enter Mautic. Third, features and ecosystem. Fourth, true cost comparison. Fifth, technical realities. And finally, number 6, making the migration.
All right, kicking things off with Section 1, the automation pricing trap.
So platforms like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign, they've become pretty much essential, right? But their pricing is tied directly to your contact count. That means your monthly cost climbs, and sometimes it climbs dramatically as your database grows. It's like a trap. Many smaller marketing teams find themselves totally stuck paying these premium enterprise-level prices when all they really need are just basic email and lead scoring features. And because they simply can't justify those exploding costs, they often just settle for simpler, far less effective tools.
Which brings us to Section 2. Enter Mautic.
Mautic was launched back in 2014 with a very specific mission: to completely remove that cost barrier. It is a genuine, open-source marketing automation platform released under the GPL license. And what that means is it's permanently free for anyone to use and modify. So for you, this means the self-hosted version operates with absolutely zero licensing cost. None. Your database size is limited only by your own server capacity, not by some arbitrary pricing tier designed to squeeze your budget. And hey, it's not some abandoned side project either. It was acquired by Acquia in 2019. That's the exact same company behind commercial Drupal support, so it has serious institutional backing and a massive global community.
Moving on to Section 3, features and ecosystem.
Now you might be wondering, if it's free, is it basic? And this brilliantly illustrates that free absolutely does not mean feature poor. Marketic gives you the whole shebang. You get a drag-and-drop visual campaign builder for mapping out multi-step journeys. You have automated lead scoring to rank your contacts based on how they engage with you. It handles segmented email marketing, complete with A/B testing. It has a built-in landing page builder, so you don't even need a separate website tool for that. And it performs really deep contact behavioral tracking. It even offers dynamic content personalization and highly detailed reporting dashboards. We are talking genuine enterprise-grade automation depth here.
And beyond just those core features, Mautic fits beautifully into your existing tech stack. It extends its functionality via a REST API, which your dev team will love. It features a really rich plugin marketplace, and crucially, it integrates seamlessly with popular CRM platforms like Suite CRM for perfectly synchronized lead and contact data. It's basically built to be a total team player in your broader software ecosystem.
Let's get into the numbers in Section 4, true cost comparison.
I really want this number to sink in for a second. Over $800. For a moderate database of just 15,000 contacts on HubSpot's Marketing Have Professional tier, this is what you could easily be paying every single month. And remember that trap we talked about earlier? As you continue to grow past that 15,000 mark, that number is only going to climb further. It's wild.
So the crucial point is this. When we compare that escalating HubSpot cost against self-hosted Mautic, the difference is just staggering. With Mautic, you're only paying for your properly sized server and a third-party email sending service. That typically totals somewhere between $60 to maybe $100 a month tops. Entirely regardless of your contact count. You could have 1 million contacts, same price. We are talking about annual savings running into the thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. You are completely severing the link between your success and your software bill. To put that into perspective, think about a real-world scenario of a growing SME that successfully made this exact switch. They watched their HubSpot costs climb past several thousand contacts, so they migrated to self-hosted Mautic. They kept all their campaign automation, all their lead scoring, all their landing page creation, but instead of paying a software vendor a massive check every month, they took those subscription savings and redirected them directly into paid advertising spend to fuel even more growth. It is a total strategic game changer.
But let's be pragmatic in Section 5, Technical Realities.
Okay, to build a completely honest picture here, we have to acknowledge the catch. Mautic requires more hands-on configuration than those simple plug-and-play commercial tools. First up, self-hosting means you are the one responsible for PHP and MySQL server maintenance and security updates. Second, and please listen to this, it's absolutely vital. You cannot skip email deliverability configuration. You have to set up a third-party service like Amazon SES or SendGrid. If you don't, your campaigns will go straight to the spam folder, guaranteed. Also, the interface? It's highly functional, but maybe a bit less visually polished than the really premium tools, and it currently lacks some of those flashy AI-driven features you might find in top-tier commercial platforms.
Now, if your team lacks the technical resources for all that server management, don't worry, you have a choice. You can go with self-hosted Mautic, which, yes, requires that technical maintenance, but it guarantees your entire contact database stays entirely within your own infrastructure. That is a massive advantage if you're dealing with strict GDPR privacy compliance. Or you can choose Mautic Cloud. This is the official hosted version offering managed infrastructure for a usage-based monthly fee. It basically gives you the power of Mautic without any of the server headaches.
All right, let's wrap things up with Section 6, Making the Migration. Here is your actual actionable game plan. While installing Mautic via Docker takes literally under an hour, the migration itself, that is a real project. Step 1 is exporting your contacts to CSV from your old platform. Step 2 is using Mautic's built-in tools to import them, which, by the way, is a fantastic excuse to finally clean up your segmentation strategy. Step 3 is definitely the heavy lift. Your existing automation logic doesn't just magically transfer over, so you have to manually recreate your workflows. And finally, Step 4 is running both platforms in parallel for a bit. You want to test and confirm your email deliverability and campaign performance before you actually pull the plug on your old tool.
To give you a very realistic expectation, here is how most SMEs actually structure this transition. Week 1 is fully dedicated to cleaning and importing your database. Weeks 2 and 3, that's for meticulously recreating your automated workflows and properly setting up that absolutely crucial email sending infrastructure. Finally, weeks 4 through 8 are used to run everything in parallel, train your team on features like lead scoring, and complete the full migration. So you're looking at a 4 to 8 week investment of time for literally years of financial payoff.
So I want to leave you with this thought today. If your marketing automation costs are currently climbing for no other reason than the fact that your contact database is growing, Mautic removes that scaling cost entirely. Just ask yourself, what could your business achieve if you reclaimed thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars in software savings every single year? The compounding financial benefits of ditching per-contact pricing are simply too significant for a growing SME to just ignore.
And that wraps up our deep dive into Mautic. But hey, what if your needs are a lot simpler? Well, in our next explainer, we're going to break down ListMonk. It's an awesome open-source solution built specifically for high-performance newsletters entirely without the heavy price tag. Make sure you subscribe to Uplatz so you don't miss that or the rest of our free and open-source software series. Until then, ask yourself, are you ready to stop paying a penalty for your own success? I'll see you in the next one.